Is your 2010-2016 Porsche Cayman key fob not working? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your Porsche Cayman key fob from 2010 to 2016 models requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a widely available and inexpensive battery. You can find it at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon for approximately $1 to $5 per pack. You'll need only a few basic tools for the key fob battery replacement. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool is essential to safely open the key fob housing. Optional tools include tweezers for precise battery handling and gloves to protect your skin from any potential battery residue. These basic tools make the process straightforward and safe. Locate the seam on your key fob, typically found at the base or side. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic clips. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. Usually, the positive side faces up. Use tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging components. Then insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from working. Carefully reassemble the two halves of the key fob, pressing them together until they click securely. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your car. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is new. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. Try inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to the accessory mode. This can sometimes reset the key fob pairing. If problems persist, consult your Porsche owner's manual or a professional. Now that you've replaced the battery, it's important to dispose of the old CR2032 battery properly. These batteries contain lithium, which can harm the environment if not handled correctly. Look for recycling programs at stores where you buy batteries. Recycling helps recover valuable lithium and other materials, supporting sustainability and minimizing hazardous waste in landfills.